This one looks pretty good. The price seems fair and those photos look clean.
What you see online isn't always the truth. Check detailed vehicle history report before you buy. That perfect listing actually hides a salvage title, accident records, damage records, and lien records. Carfax and AutoCheck miss auctions and sales records with photos, do not support for classic VINs, and window sticker, which helps you understand a vehicle's true options and value whether you're buying or selling. Introducing Detailed Vehicle History, VIN Lookup app. You get everything in one place. Decode VIN for free to get specifications, classic VIN and chassis support, auction and sales history with photos. Window sticker lookup, license plate and VIN scanner, personal garage, and more. Our reports are everything clear and straightforward. Access ownership history, auction or sales history, title brand check, mileage records, accident history, damage records, lien records, vehicle recalls, and more. Get a window sticker and verify standard equipment and options, including exterior features, interior features, mechanical features, safety features, warranty, manufacturer suggested retail price, exterior and interior colors, packages and options, shipping cost to total vehicle price, EPA fuel economy, greenhouse gas rating, and safety ratings whether you are buying or selling a car. Go beyond history report and window sticker. Track maintenance, vehicle recalls, warranty status, and upcoming services reminders. Unlike Carfax, which is limited to the US and Canada, our VIN lookup services extend across the US, Canada, Latin America, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Accessible anytime, anywhere. Tired of no response or support when you need help with your report? Unlike Carfax with bad reviews, DVH offers 24/7 customer support by live chat, email, or phone. We're always here when you need help with report or sticker. Download Detailed Vehicle History app today. Don't just buy a car, buy the truth.